All right, Wayne, here's the first test run of your paddles, bud. From what I can tell, they're gonna be friggin' epic. So here we go. This thing is awesome. These paddles are insane. You see that rooster tail? That is crazy. Tearing the beach up, guys. Gotta be careful not to get it too hot. I don't have a fan on it, so can't really put a fan on it. So crazy that what the rooster tail this thing makes. Putting it through its paces. Make sure I won't get it to the beach, and Weston's has a car that's broke. Oh, Wayne, these paddles are insane, dude. They definitely hook, and they're staying on, so. Look at that rooster tail. That's insane. Oh, there we go. What a rooster tail, guys. It'll wheelie at any speed you want it to. Uh-oh. Something broke. I think I got the spur gear, guys. This one still does have the plastic gears in it. So we'll take it home. Oh. Nope, I got the middle of the wheel hot. Dang, how heavy did it get? Man, I broke one, but I think I can fix it with a washer, hopefully. Anyhow, up until just now, they worked perfectly. So we'll take it back, see if we can get that worked out. That drive shaft got really hot, so we're gonna figure out what's going on with that. And we'll be back out, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.